Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Beige 512 gigabyte Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Beige 512 Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, I did actually get this from T-Mobile because there were so much issues with the Samsung website. I did not want to miss out. Now, I went with the beige color because I've had all the folds from 1, 2, 3, so I figured let me get a new color. And I did actually like the fact that it kind of looked like it was gold, but it was only gold on one side, so that's the problem. So if you guys want to take a look at the box, it's really thin, which basically means that there's not a lot of accessories that you get for free. So here you go. Here's what it says on the back of the box. If you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. It looks like T-Mobile already chopped off the label, so I don't have to do that much work there, or they did it just on one side. So let's just pop this baby out. Right, here you go. Okay, so they didn't pop that. Right, so it looks like T-Mobile cut out one part to probably put the SIM card in there. So let's just pop out that second part. Gotta take a little Miggy completely, and let's just pop this baby out. Shout out to Team 100, by the way. Alright, so here's what you get inside the box. It looks like what is in here. So it looks like you get a SIM ejection tool. Okay, so you have a whole type of kit here. So you have your quick start guide, and you have your Type-C to Type-C cable, SIM ejection tool if you want to change your SIM card. That's exactly what that's for. Put that to the side here, and here we go. This is beige, but from the look of it, it looks like a ceramic white. That's what it looks like in my eyes with my limited light that I have here. So let's just pop this out. Nothing else inside the box. That's basically it. So you get your wrapper here. So we have the silver steel frame sides here. This really looks high quality. So you have a little triangle there to tell you how to take it out of its packaging. Here we go, guys. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And now I'm coming from the old school days when I had the Z Fold 1. Definitely has a more solid feel and a real solid fold as well. It feels really premium. Really nice. I'm really digging this color. This color kind of looks like it's a little bit beige on the side, but this back definitely looks white to me. Is it white? I think if I brought it outside, it would probably look a lot more beige. But from first glance, really nice. Got that nice little camera hump here. If you guys are looking for the specs of this, I will have that link down below, and also where you could pick it up at. But just the overall quality of this is 100% top notch. Now you do still have that little bit of a gap between the fold, and let's just see how it looks if I was to. Is there any type of quality issues here? Does everything look aligned? Samsung logo up top. You have your charger here, speakers and mic up top as well. Really nice. This now, as far as weight, does it feel like the Galaxy? Oh, this fold is nice. You see how they just folded just like this? Nice and solid. Really nice. Samsung made a great phone here. So you have your fingerprint scanner on the side, which I actually really miss. So let's just power this baby on. Hold down the power button. It would be nice if they had some type of free screen protector, but as far as that little hitch there, this is where it used to have a lot of issue with the first fold, and then they added that little piece there. And if you guys came from the Fold 3, this is very similar when it comes to that direction, but alright, so it came charged with 42%, and it went right to the screen. So if you have the T-Mobile version, you will go right to this. You don't even get a T-Mobile pop up or screen video, because you probably have to insert the SIM card. Now, is there another SIM card in here for the T-Mobile model? Let's just put this to the side. Let's just see something. So if you guys want to see the specs, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Stay tuned to this channel, because I will have case videos locked up. I got one with the S Pen. Stay tuned for that. It doesn't look like it comes with a SIM card, but it's probably already installed because I have service already. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, I will have case reviews, camera settings, anything that you want. Just let me know down in the comments below. The beige looks absolutely fire. I'm loving this. This is kind of like an off-white color, and this definitely has that beige gold champagne type color. So it definitely comes off in the camera very, very true to color. And considering what I have here, this is definitely a beautiful device. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.